The work week started off pretty warm. Yesterday we did manage to make it to 67 degrees. Our average high temperature this time of year is closer to the upper 50s. I'm News 19 meteorologist Daniel Bonds. We do expect more warm conditions today, and it's going to be dry. We haven't had any rainfall since December 11th when we picked up 85 hundredths of an inch. Here's your forecast for today. We do expect, we'll call it mostly sunny skies. Clouds will kind of decrease throughout the day with high temperatures in the low 70s. So these guys are ready for those 70s once again. We'll be in the lower 70s, it looks like, for Wednesday, with only a small chance for a pop-up shower or maybe even a thunderstorm. Our morning lows will start to drop, though, especially as we head towards the weekend. Saturday morning, we'll say low 30s. Sunday morning, possibly mid-20s. Records will be safe for today. The record high is 80, the record low is 14. Last year, we picked up over 2 inches of rain, and back in 1973, had a trace of snowfall. Nothing like that because temperatures are very warm across the southeast. But if you are traveling, in particular out towards our west, you notice a pretty good line of showers kind of moving through. For us, Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening, there will be the possibility for some showers and maybe even a thunderstorm. If you're traveling later today and this evening, possibly some fog, especially South Georgia, parts of the Carolinas, and into Florida. Notice some rain kind of moving through parts of Georgia. We'll say even down towards Alabama Wednesday afternoon. Wednesday evening, the rain should start to move on out. More fog is going to be possible early Thursday. By the time we get to Thursday afternoon, the fog will kind of decrease. Throughout today, though, we'll have some sunshine as those clouds will start to decrease. Fog's going to be possible early Wednesday morning. As we get to Wednesday afternoon, pop-up shower, maybe even a thunderstorm. This is 2 o'clock. Here we are at 4 o'clock. A few showers and storms possible. As we get into the evening hours of Wednesday, those rain chances will decrease. Fog will kind of increase for Thursday morning. European forecast model showing that small chance for rain on Wednesday. European model tries to paint in some rain on Friday, but as of now, it does look like it's going to be dry. We're going to keep a dry forecast. American model trying to paint in a little bit of rain. But as we mentioned, right now we're expecting this cold front to move through Friday. As of now, should be a dry frontal passage, and it's going to bring in some much colder air for the weekend. For today, upper 60s in the northwestern part of the Midlands, low to maybe even middle 70s in the southern and eastern half of the area. Low to mid 70s tomorrow, low 60s Thursday and Friday. Looking ahead towards the weekend, the last weekend before Christmas, temperatures will be turning a lot colder, especially Sunday, Monday morning. Lows in the low to mid 20s with daytime highs in the mid 40s. We'll also have to watch for the potential Monday morning for our wind chills to drop into the low 20s, maybe even teens. But starting Sunday mornings when things really start to cool off with those lows dropping into the mid 20s. Gradually, we'll start to warm back up a little bit. It looks like Tuesday, Christmas Day, maybe a touch warmer. Myrtle Beach, some fog Wednesday morning. The weekend's looking pretty good, but a bit on the cool side. Charleston, same thing, pretty chilly over the weekend. And Greenville, as you would expect, some cool conditions both Saturday and Sunday. Speaking of Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, things can change this far out, but looking for cool conditions Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, temperatures pretty close to average under partly cloudy skies. Here are the Christmas extremes. The warmest, 1955, made all the way up to 79 degrees. The coldest, 1983, dropped to the single digits. 2009, over 3 inches of rain. And there has been a trace of snowfall, 1924 and 2004. Historical chances of having a white Christmas, very, very small across South Carolina. You have to go farther towards the north. And as we do look ahead, December 24th through December 30th, we're expecting warmer than normal conditions. And rainfall amounts or rainfall chances probably pretty close to average. We're 4 days away from the winter solstice, which is Saturday. Christmas Eve is a week from today. Christmas Day, obviously, 8 days from today. And you can follow me on these social media outlets. Have a great Tuesday.